So what's up YouTube? Before we can remove the background and before I show you how to put it on another layer, there's a tool that I didn't use, which we did use this tool. We did use we did use the polygon in our previous video. So it's only one tool that I didn't use. This one is very straightforward. It's just removing the background using a square, you know. Just let's say I want to remove that, select that, then you just click delete. So I don't have to explain a lot of that. Just select that the entire this part, then click delete. That's how you use like a rectangle or a square thing. So also applies on an oval. If you want to remove something on a circular form, just go straight to that specific area, use that circle thing and remove it from that specific area. So there's one thing that we didn't use, is called like a magnet tool. So in this video I'll be showing you how to use a magnet tool, or when should you start to use a magnet tool. So a magnet tool, you use it when it's similar to the wand tool, but it is the magnet tool just focuses, try to guess exactly like how your skin or how what you're wearing looks like. So when you're removing it, if you did notice on the form, I choose where should I go, you know. With the form I just select the form, and if I want to cut here I just cut here, just like that. But the magic will guess exactly where you need to go. You try to guess where you need to go. Let me quickly make a little bit of an example. So this is super zoomed. So what the magnet tool will do, the magnet tool will say that, okay, this person want me to go straight from this area, so it won't go inside like the brown thing, rather than it will just stay in between this bluish color and the brown thing. That's how like the magnet tool uses its senses. So let's just click here. It's loading. See, this is how the magnet tool, you see, just click there, you move, then you click, you move, then you click, you click. You see, it is not entering on my jacket, on the jacket of this person. So it's only like trying to sense and it's a very powerful tool, a tool you can use, because it just try to sense exactly what you want to have, you know. You see, even on the head. Then after doing what they say, you can just move from this side. Then you can just try to tell it, just now I want to cut, just push this side. So it just start to guess things that you don't even know what is it doing. Then after, from that position, that's when you can double click, so that you can set it straight to the beginning, right? So that you can go straight to the beginning. From here, just double click. So try to make sure it goes straight to the beginning. Then then from that stand of a point, you can click delete. Then it will remove everything. So you have to do it the same thing. You see, like, look, let's just click Control D just to deselect everything. We can see like our results. So you see, like, it just tried to remove everything precisely. It did manage to guess. So that is the advantage of using like you see, like, it did manage to guess. It managed to remove everything close to the jacket. So a magnet tool is a very powerful tool. Please don't ever sleep on it. Keep using it, try to understand it, and I'm telling you, like, you will be just good, and you'll always like prefer it maybe more than like a weight, or more than like a free form. So thank you so much guys for viewing this. I'll see you on the next video. Bless up.